Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Farmers. Empowering your business. PPC advertising is an excellent approach to promoting your farm. People will come across your adverts in the search results and learn more about your farm. However, because you'll appear in advertising, one of the best benefits of PPC for farming is that you'll always be front of mind for interested clients. World's best click fraud protection software. There are many PPC monitoring and protection software out there. Choosing the best click fraud protection tool is critical for your business. An effective and fast automated protection only for fraudulent activity without blocking real potential customers. Who's clicking my ads? Competitors. It's a known strategy that competitors click on your paid ads so they will go offline. Click farms. Click farms are organizations that can produce thousands of clicks in minutes. Bots. Over 36% of web traffic is generated by automatic bots and scripts. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.